I think I have a personal experience. I'm a total Mumbaiker, and two experiences. The government earlier, when Devendra Fadnavis was the chief minister, set up a board known as Maharashtra International Education Board. I don't know how many know, but it grew to almost 100 schools, and many, many English schools started getting affiliation to that board. Unfortunately, it was stalled later. I was instrumental in working for that board a lot. Second, about the Marathi Compulsory Act, because I was personally involved earlier when under Vandana ma'am, I have worked very closely on this policy. Let me tell you, there are exemptions created. So if there is an NRI student who's studying, there is an exemption created so that they can take a different level. That's how most of the IB and Cambridge schools started teaching. And today, every IB school and Cambridge school, because I interact with all these schools, they have successfully started teaching Marathi. And no one has got a problem. And children are loving to learn. You go to any IB school today, there is Marathi being taught successfully. Second aspect is, it's a school-based assessment, right? So, which gives the school to decide the level for the child and teach accordingly. So I interact with so many Cambridge and IB, CBSE and ICSE schools used to already teach in different parts. But the Cambridge and IB schools, with all the associations, I can vouch that that effort is going very well and kids are really liking it. As teachers, we have to take that extra effort. That's all. Thank you so much.
Hello.